Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Flamebud Seed and grow a garden game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. The summer camp update part 4 has been released in Grow a Garden, and there is a new event here. It's called Campfire Quest. You can talk to this NPC to view your quest. Okay, and these are my quests. The campfire quest. I need to harvest 8 fire pit flower, submit 10 plants to Bear Nabi, and plant 50 campfire seeds. And after you complete all the quests, guys, you will have chance to get the Flamebud seed. Okay, and you only have 9% chance to get this Flamebud seed. And I'm still working on it, guys. I haven't um I haven't unlocked this Flamebud seed yet, but I've already unlocked the campfire fence. And yeah, basically you just need to do the quest, and if you're lucky, you will be able to choose Flamebud seed as your reward. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the new Flamebud seed and grow a garden summer camp update part 4. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.